यदविद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहम् शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। वेदांत परिभाषा पेज नंबर 112. So different examples are given. उदाहरणांतरेषु अपि दुर्बलत्व प्रयोजक आकांक्षा विरह एव द्रष्टव्यः. आकांक्षा विरह is because of दुर्बलत्वस्य प्रयोजक आकांक्षायाः विरह. In this we were seeing स्योनन्ते सदनं कृणोमि घृतस्य धारया सुषेवं कल्पयामि तस्मिन् सीद अमृते प्रतिष्ठ व्रीहीणां मेघः सुमनस्य मान. So in this entire mantra is for sthanam and purodasha sthapanam, or half the mantra is for sthana karanam and half the mantra is for purodasha sthapanam. This is the samshaya. Iti samshaye sati, fourth line from the bottom. Mantra dvaya abhavat सर्वोपि अयं मंत्रः स्थानकरणस्य पुरोडाश स्थापनस्य च अंगम. So there are no two mantras here. Mantra dvayasya abhavat. Therefore, one mantra, entire mantra is doing both the things. Sthanakaranasya mantra, purodasha sthapanasya cha mantra. So it is anga for both karma. When you do sthanakaranam, you have to chant this mantra. When you do purodasha sthapanam, you have to chant this mantra. Tatra sarvena anena mantrena, correction, sthanam kartavyam iti viniyojikaha shrutihi kalpaniya. By the entire mantra, sthanam should be created. Sthanakarana kartavyam sarvena anena mantrena. Viniyojika shruti is this. So viniyojika shruti is another one. Anena mantrena sthanam kartavyam, for that viniyojika shruti kalpaniya, he says. Means this will become the linga. By this linga you are going to do shruti kalpana. तथा सर्वेण मंत्रेण पुरोडाशः स्थापनीय इति अपि कल्पनीय. सर्वेण मंत्रेण, that entire mantra is for purodasha sthapana also. That kalpana also you should do, kalpaniya. Sadana angatvavat pratishthapanangatvasyapi तद वाक्य बोधितत्वात् इति प्राप्ते राद्धान्तः मीन्स सिद्धान्तः. So this is the Purva Paksha, what we are studying. Samshaya is there, then Purva Paksha says entire mantra should be for Sthanakaranam. Entire mantra should be for Purodasha Sthapanam, for which you have to do Viniyojakya Shruti Kalpana. sadana angatvavat pratishthapana angatvasyapi, just as sadana is there, sadana angatvavat pratisthapana angatvasya, pratisthapana anga is also this mantra. Tad vakya bodhitatvat, by this vakya both things are given. Syonam te sadanam kranomi and Hritasya dharaya sushevam kalpayami. So, entire mantra should be for both. Iti prapte radhantah. Now, what is the siddhanta mata, mimamsaka mata? पूर्वोत्तरार्धयोः परस्पर अन्वयेन संपन्नस्य एकवाक्यस्य उत्तरार्धस्य सदनकरणे शक्तिम् अकल्पयित्वा सर्वमन्त्रस्य सदने विनियोक्तुम् अनर्हत्वात् पूर्वार्धस्य स्थापने शक्तिम् अकल्पयित्वा स्थापने सर्वमन्त्रस्य विनियोक्तुम् अनर्हत्वाच्च लिंगकल्पन व्यवधाने श्रुतिं प्रति वाक्यं विप्रकृष्यते. पूर्वार्ध एंड उत्तरार्ध, पूर्व उत्तरार्धयोः. पूर्वश्च उत्तर, how will be the samasa vigraha? I was told, Swamiji, you are not asking samasa vigraha, sutra, etc. Tell me what is the samasa vigraha?
Dvandva samasa.
That is name of the samasa. What is the vigraha? Purvascha
Uttarascha taritu purvottara.
Purvascha uttarascha iti पूर्वोत्तरौ तयोः अर्धयोः इति पूर्वोत्तरार्धयोः. पूर्वार्ध and उत्तरार्ध परस्पर अन्वयेन, between them when there is paraspara अन्वय. So okay, whenever such pada is there, between first two pada you do dvandva and then shashti with the that dvandva and the remaining pada. Paraspara अन्वयेन संपन्नस्य एकवाक्यस्य उत्तरार्धस्य. परस्पर अन्वयेन संपन्नस्य, when paraspara अन्वय happens, then you will have ekavakya, but then that ekavakyasya uttarardhasya sadanakarane shaktim akalpayitva, because sadanakarana is in purvardha, it is in the first half, and purodasha sthapanam is in the second half of the mantra. So he says ekavakyasya उत्तरार्धस्य सदनकरणे शक्ति. उत्तरार्ध means the second half does not have the shakti in the sadanakarana. Sadanakarane shaktim akalpayitva. So entire mantra sarva mantrasya sadane viniyoktum anarhatvat. Entire mantra cannot be viniyukta, cannot be used or appointed or associated for the sadanakarana, anarhatva. And purvardhasya sthapane shaktim akalpayitva. Purvardha means the first half. First half is for what? Sadanakarana. First half is for sadanakarana. Purvardhasya, so it is not for what? What is it?
पुरुषस्थापना
Purodasha sthapana. Purvardhasya sthapane shaktim akalpayitva. So you cannot say that Purvardha is for Purodasha sthapanam akalpayitva. And therefore sthapane sarva mantrasya viniyoktum anarhatvacha. For the Purodasha sthapana, entire mantras viniyoga is not possible. It is ayogya. Viniyoktum anarhatvacha. लिंग कल्पना व्यवधाने श्रुतिम प्रति वाक्यम विप्रकृष्यते. देयर इज अ विप्रकर्ष. लिंग कल्पना व्यवधाने श्रुतिम प्रति वाक्यम विप्रकृष्यते. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दैट? It is easy. If you just pay attention to the vakya, the sentence, you will know. Words may not be familiar, but key words you know.
Between Shruti and Vakya.
Yes.
Linga is Durbala compared to Shruti.
between Shruti and Vakya, the lingam is a Vyavadhana.
In Linga Kalpana, in Linga Kalpana, Shrutim Prati Vakyam. For Shruti, Vakyam Viprakrishate. Vakyam Viprakrishate means Vakya has Viprakarsha. Vakya is farther. Farther with what? With the Vyavadhana of Linga Kalpanam. Linga Kalpana Vyavadhane. Vyavadhanam is in the middle. Vyavadhanam means obstruction. Linga comes between what and what? Shruti and Vakya. So Vakyam Viprakrishate. Vakya is farther with the Linga in between when you have to do Shruti Kalpana. Pratyaksham tu Linga Dvayam Sannikrishyate. But if there are two lingas, then both the lingas are closer to each other. Means if you do this way, that one half is for one mantra, second half is for the other. One half is for Sadhanakarana, one half is for Purodashasthapanam. That linga is available. It is Pratyaksha. You can see it in the mantra itself. But if you do this kalpana, that entire mantra should be for both, then you will have to use Shruti Kalpana from Vakya. Pratyaksham tu lingadvayam sannikrishyate. Tathacha sannikrishyate means they are proximate. Tathacha lingena Vakya badhat ardhadvayam ubhayatra vyavasthitam iti. By the linga, Vakya Bada will happen because linga is prabala compared to Vakya, and therefore Vakya Bada, when it happens, ardhadvayam, the two halves, ubhayatra vyavasthitam. One half for Sadhanakarana, one half for Purodashasthapana. This is known through which pramana here?
Sthana.
Sthana. Lingena. Tathacha lingena it is given. Tathacha lingena vakya badha ardhadvayam ubhayatra vyavasthitam. On previous page you see when we started this topic, Before the mantra, the sentence which starts, what does the sentence say?
Linga Vakya Virodha.
This example is between linga and vakya. Earlier example was between
Shruti and Linga.
Shruti and Vakya.
Shruti and linga.
Linga.
The Aindriyagarha Patyam Upadishthate is between Shruti Linga Virodha. Prior to that, the Amiksha one,
Shruti and Vakya. Shruti and Vakya.
Shruti and Vakya. Where was it said? Shruti and Vakya.
Yatha Shruti Vakya Virodhe Vakya
That
Taursalya Pradipaka.
is the first one. So first example, Shruti Vakya Virodha. Second example, Shruti Linga Virodha. Third example, Linga Vakya Virodha. You highlight those things, those keywords you highlight so that when you read it again, or if you are teaching later, which I hope you would, you know exactly what is the main discussion. And then, of course, you know that mantra, that when Shruti Linga Vakya Prakarana Sthana Samakhya, so if there is Virodha, which one will remove the Akanksha and therefore the other one will become Daurbalya Prayojaka. So for which Akanksha Viraha will be there. Okay, so now this is Vyavasthitam. Atrapi Akanksha Viraha eva Vakyasya Daurbalya Prayojaka iti. Akankshayaha Viraha is Vakyasya Daurbalya Prayojaka. So now Akanksha is not there because Linga has already fulfilled the need in the Akanksha. Vakya became Durbala Prayojaka. Now next one is Vakya Prakaranayor Virodhe. So we should, between Vakya and Prakarana, which is Durbala?
Prakarana.
Prakarana Daurbalyam. Yatha Sukta Vakye Shruyate. In Sukta Vakya, Agni Shoma Vidam Havirajushetam Avivrutetam Ahojyayo Kratam Ahojyayo Kratam Agni Shomau. What are these sutras for Agni Shomau? Find out and tell me.
Agnehe stut soma somaha.
Agnihi.
That is for soma son. Devata dvandvecha. One is
What is
Agnehe stut soma somaha. Sakara will change into Shakara.
Second sutra is correct. Sakara, Dantya Sakara will change to Murdhanya Shakara. Stuta Soma Somaha. Agnehe Stuta Soma Soma. For the first one, Devata Dvandvecha, you can use that. but there is another sutra. ईदग्नेः सोम वरुणयोः. ईदग्नेः सोम वरुणयोः. When Agni, Soma or Agni, Varuna, when they come, then Agni, Hrasva will become Dirgha. Anuvritti is of Devata Dvandvecha. But Eet, that E Dirgha is given here. This is Sutra number 6327. This is immediately after Devata Dvandvecha. Idagnehe Soma Varunayoho. Then next is Agnehe Stuta Soma Somaha. That will do the Shatvam. So Agni Shomau. Idam Havihi Ajushetam. In the Artha Sangraha book, this Prakarana is on page number 30. Agni Shomau Idam Havihi Ajushetam. And Indragni, page number 30. Indragni. In Indragni, what is the sutra? In Indragni, Indra will come first, Agni will come later. So there is a sutra for that. Achadi Ajadyadantam. This is the sutra. Ajadyadantam. Ach Adi Anta Antam. Ata Antam. At Antam. Ajadi At Antam. Ajadyadantam.
Such a Bhartika Swamiji.
No, sutra. 2-33. To 33. And they have given the example of Indragni only. Between Indra and Agni, Indra will come first. Between Indra and Vayu, Indra will come first. So Indragni idam havihi ajushetam. Avivrudetam ahojyayokratam. So now in this, what is the discussion? Agni Shoma means Agni Devata and Soma Devata are there. And then you have Indra and Agni. Agni Shomau, Havi is being offered to them, and Havi is also offered to Indra and Agni. So Devata Vachak Shabdas are there. What is the Samshaya? That this comes in Darsha Purnamasa. So in Darsha also this mantra is there. In Purnamasa also this mantra is there. Now see the discussion. Ityadi Devata Vachaka Agni Shomadi Padam Paurnamasyadi Kale यथा दैवतम विभज्य प्रयुज्यते. In Purnamasyadi Kale, yatha daivatam, as per the devatas, vibhaga is done and it is used. तत्र संशयः देवता पदैक वाक्यता भूत भूतानि इदं भूतानि इदं देवता पदैक वाक्यता भूतानि इदं हविरजुषेताम् इत्यादीनि यानि पदानि तानि किं ततो विच्छिद्य अन्यत्रापि प्रकरण अविशेषात् प्रयोक्तव्यानि उत तत्तद् देवता पदेनैक वाक्यतया तद्वदेव व्यवस्थितानि इति. This is the संशय. Actually, if you have understood the concept, right? If concept is clear, so many examples are not needed. One example is enough, which is what is given in the Moola. But Tikakar is giving multiple examples of this. Okay. इत्यादि देवतावाचक अग्निशोमादि पदम पौर्णमास्यादि काले यथा दैवतम तत्र संशयः देवता पदैक वाक्यता भूतानि इदं हविरजुषेताम्. सो देवता पद एक वाक्यता भूतानि इदं हविरजुषेताम् इत्यादीनि पदानि. These padas, should they be associated? तानि किं ततो विच्छिद्य अन्यत्रापि प्रकरण अविशेषात् प्रयोक्तव्यानि. Prakarana. Separating this, and should we put this elsewhere also? Or uta तत्तद् देवता पदेन एक वाक्यतया तद्वदेव व्यवस्थितानि. तत्तद् देवता पदेन एक वाक्यतया. So with the देवता पद एक वाक्यतया तद्वदेव व्यवस्थितानि. तद्वदेव व्यवस्थितानि means what the way the vakya is. Agni Shomau, you should leave it separately. Let us say if it is there in Darsha, so Agni Shoma is actually in Purnamasa, Purnima. In Purnima, when you do the yaga, Agni Shoma. In Amavasya, Darsha time, Indragni. That is how it should be. He is going to tell finally when it comes to Siddhanta. उत तत्तद् देवता पदेन एक वाक्यतया तद्वदेव व्यवस्थितानि इति. तत्र यत्तु इदं हविः इत्यादिकम् अवशिष्टं पदजातं तद् अग्नि सोम मंत्रगतम् अपि अमावास्यायाम् अग्नि सोम पद परित्यागेन पठनीयम्. इदं हविः इत्यादिकम् अवशिष्टं पदजातं, that पद समूह तद अग्नि सोम मंत्रगतम् अपि अमावास्यायाम् अग्नि सोम पद परित्यागेन. Don't use the Agni Shoma pada in Amavasya, and at that time also you use the same. Parityagena Pataniya. So without using Agni Shoma pada, you use the rest in Amavasya also. In other words, Agni Shoma is there in Purnima. When it comes to Amavasya, at that time also you do the same pada. In the same way, Tatha Indragni Mantragatam api Paurnamasyam Indragni pada Parityagena. in Purnamasa, means in Purnima time, Indragni pada should be there. Agni Shoma pada is there. What you do, he says, at that time, Indragni pada you leave and pada parityagena pathaniya. So then what will happen? Tatha sati esham mantra bhaganam sarva sheshatva bodhako darsha purna masa patho anugrihyate. Sarva sheshatva bodhako patha means it will be shesha for both darsha as well as purna masa. Means you will have it for both prakarnas. So the samshaya was in darsha prakarana this mantra is there, purnamasa prakarana this mantra is there. This devata vachaka agni shomadi pada, you remove them from both the yagas and then you use them in both, or in one you have to use one and the other. Agni Shoma in Purnamasa, Indragni in Darsha. So Purva Paksha says, in Purnamasa, you don't use Indragni, and what is remaining that you recite. In Darsha, you don't use Agni Shoma, and you recite both the mantras. In other words, the entire mantra will come for Darsha, entire mantra will come for Purnamasa also. So Siddhanta says no. Agni Shomau idam havihi in this mantra, Agni Shoma pada rahita, that idam havihi, this pada anvaya is not there with Indragni. Vakya Shravana doesn't say that. Similarly, in Indragni also, you see, same thing will apply for the other. Yatra tu idam, tatra yattu idam havihi ityadikam avashishtam padajatam tad agni shoma mantragatam api amavasyayam agni shoma pada parityagena pathaniya तथा इंद्राग्नि मंत्रगतम अपि पौर्णमास्याम इंद्राग्नि पद परित्यागेन पठनीय तथा सति एषां मंत्र भागानां सर्वशेषत्व बोधको दर्श पूर्णमास पाठो अनुगृह्यते इति प्राप्ते सिद्धांत से अग्निशोम मंत्र शेषस्य इंद्राग्नि पद अन्वय अश्रवणात् अग्निशोम मंत्र शेष in that Indragni pada anvaya is not given, and therefore if you use prakarana, ashravanat means vakya ashravanat in vak, because the comparison is between vakya and prakarana. Ashravanat prakaranena, if you use prakarana, then what you will have to do? Prakaranena prathamam tad anvaya rupam vakyam kalpaniya. From prakarana, first kalpana you will have to do is of vakya. Then tena cha vakyena indragni prakashana samarthya rupam lingam. Then you will have to do linga kalpana. Tena cha anena mantra bhagena indragni vishaya kriya anushtheya iti viniyojika shruti kalpyate. How many kalpanas you will have to do?
3
kalpanas. From prakarana, first you do vakya kalpana, then linga kalpana, then shruti kalpana. Tataha prakarana viniyogayor madhya it is. Tribhir vyavadhanam bhavati. 3 vyavadhanams will be there between prakarana and viniyojika shruti. So between prakarana and how the vinyoga happens, 3 kalpana you will have to do. Agni Shoma Padanvaya Rupam Vakyam Shruyamanatvat Linga Shrutibhyam eva vyavadhiyate. But if you use Vakya, then Agni Shoma Padanvaya Rupam Vakyam Shruyamanatvat, Vakya Shravana is there, only you will have to do Linga and Shruti. So 2 kalpana. So 3 kalpanas is Durbala, 2 kalpanas is Prabala. Therefore, Agni Shoma Padanvaya Rupam Vakyam Shruyamanatvat Linga Shrutibhyam eva vyavadhiyate. Tasmad Vakyena Prakaranasya Badhitatvat Tatsheshas Tatraiva Vyavatisthate. So therefore, Vakyena Prakarana Badha will take place. Tatshesha Tatraiva Tishthate. Tatshesha Tatraiva Tishthate means in Darsha Indragni, in Purnamasa Agni Shoma. There only, not that in Darsha you both all invite all Agni Shoma together, Indragni together, and then in Purnamasa also all, not like that. So this is completed here. Further, Atrapi, and here also, Vichidya Anyatra Aprayoge Akanksha Viraha Eva Karanam. Vichidya Anyatra Aprayoga. You split it from one and do prayoga somewhere else, that is not there. That is not advisable in this context. Sometimes they do that. That is why this discussion is there. If it was never done any time, there is no need of discussion. But sometimes they have to do this way, sometimes they have to do the other way. So in this case, Vichidya Anyatra Aprayoge Akanksha Viraha Eva Karanam. That we did not do Vicheda and Anyatra Prayoga, in that what is the Karanam? Akanksha Viraha is the Karanam. Now, Sthana Prakarana Yor Virodhe. This is the next one. Between Sthana and Prakarana. Virodhe. Sthana Durbalyam. Sthana is Durbala. Yatha Rajasuye Bahavaha Pashu Ishti Soma Yagaha. In the Rajasuya Yajna, many Pashu Ishti Soma Yagas are given. Sarve Phalavantaha Sama Pradhanaha. All will give Phalam and all are equally Pradhana. There is no Pradhana Gauna. Tatra Abhishechaniyo Nama Somayagaha. One is Somayaga, Abhishechaniya. Tat Sannidhau Videvanadayaha Samamnataha. Samamnataha means Vyakhyata. Aksher Divyati Rajanyam Jinati Shaunah Shepam Akhyapayati iti. You remember any of this discussion?
No, Swamiji.
Okay. This was there on page number 34. That sheets that I shared. In the Moolam they have given Idam cha sthanadibhyo balavat Ata eva Akshair Divyati Rajanyam Jinati iti Devanadayo Dharma Abhishechaniya Sannidhau Pathida api Sthanat na tadangam Kintu Prakaranat Rajasuyangam iti. This is there in Moolam, in Artha Sangraha. This is on page 34. And in the Tika, they have explained. So, Abhishechaniya Somayaga is Pathita. And then, in that alone, Akshay Divyati, Rajanyo Jinati, they are also there. Rajanya Shabda, what is the sutra? Bahu Rajanya Kritaha is there.
Yes, Swamiji.
Yat pratyay is there. Rajashva Shurat Yat. Rajan Shabda and Yat pratyay will become Rajanya. Shaunaha Shepa, you know there is a Shaunaha Shepa Akhyanam is given there. Means Akhyanam is not given. You see the next line. So Yat pratyay sutra is number is 41137. Huh? Rajashva Shurat Yat. Jinati means Jayati. Rajan Jinati means Rajanyam Jayati. Buddha Akhyanam Shaunaha Shepa. Shaunaha Shepa Vishayam Akhyanam. In the Brahmana Bhag, this Katha comes that he was to be sacrificed. Then he prayed to Devatas. Vishwamitra Rishi helped him pray, something like that. And then he was not sacrificed. And then Vishwamitra Rishi gave him another name, Devarata. So he was a Rishi. Shuna Shepa is a Rishi. Shuna Shepa Vishayam Akhyanam Shaunaha Shepam. Tatra Samshayah. Te Videvanadayah. So that word is there in the Mulam. Videvanadayah. Dharma. Kim Sarvasya Rajasuyasya Angam Uta Abhishechaniyasya Eva. So these, are they for the entire Rajasuya or only for Somayaga? That Abhishechaniya. This is the Samshaya. Tatra Sannidhi Vashat Videvanadayo Abhishechaniyangam iti prapte. Because of the Sannidhi, Videvanadayo, these yagas, they should be part of the Abhishechana only. Because you see the Mulam, earlier it was said, Tatra Abhishechaniyo Nama Somyaga, Tat Sannidhau Videvanadayaha Samamnataha. In its proximity, this Videvanadayaha Samamnataha. Tatra Sannidhi Vashat Videvanadayo Abhishechaniyangam iti prapte Radhantaha. Now what is the Siddhantamata? Rajasuyasya katham bhava kankshayam anuvrittayam. Katham bhavayet, this akanksha anuvritti will be there. Anuvrittayam. Vihita Videvanadayaha prakaranena Rajasuya Sheshaha. They should be done in the Rajasuya. They are the Shesha of Rajasuya. Rajasuya Sheshaha. Rajasuyasya Bahuyagatmakaha. And Rajasuya has many yagas. Bahuyagatmaka. Iti tatratya sarvayaga shesha bhutam videvanadikam. So videvanadikam is sarvayaga. Sarvayaga means this Rajasuya. Rajasuya anga. It is not the anga of which one?
Somayaga.
Somayaga. What is the name of Somayaga? Abhishechaniya. It doesn't belong to Abhishechaniya. Nacha Abhishechaniya Abhishechaniyasya Kachit Akanksha Videvanadishu Asti. Abhishechaniya and Videvanadi. So in Videvanadi there is no Akanksha for Abhishechaniya Asti. Jyotishtoma Vikritittvena Atidishtaihi Prakritangaihi एव तदाकांक्षा निवृत्तेरिति. In Jyotishtoma is Prakriti or Vikriti?
Vikriti.
Jyotishtoma is Prakriti. Because that Vakya says Jyotishtoma Vikriti. Jyotishtomasya Vikriti. That is the samasa there. Jyotishtoma is a Prakriti Yaga. Prakriti Yaga is where Sarvanga Kathanam is there. That is called Prakriti Yaga. So Jyotishtomasya Vikrititvena Atidishtaihi Prakrita Angaihi Eva Tad Akanksha Nivrittehe. Jyotishtomasya Vikriti. Videvanadi, that Akanksha Purti happens from Prakriti only. Iti. So this Prakarana is over. Now next one is Sthana Samakhya. Sthana Samakhya yor Virodhe. Samakhya will become Durbalam. That we will see in the following session. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sudra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.